Alright, day 2. We are in Lucerne and we're going to bike to Grindelwald as far as we can. We'll have to probably take a train for part of it because it's a lot of elevation climbing, but we'll make it as far as we can.
Evidence. No video evidence. It never happened. We biked the whole way.
Yeah, we biked the whole way.
We biked the whole way.
Since we had our bikes, we were able to stay on the outskirts of town and stay in a little bit cheaper hotel. Lucerne was absolutely beautiful in the morning. We stopped by the Hauptbahnhof to pick up some provisions for the day and just do a little sightseeing around Lucerne. This is our route for the day. We're starting in Lucerne and biking to Giswil. From there, we're taking a train to Brunig, which is about 9 miles, and then biking to Brienz. All in all, it's about 40 miles of biking. From Brienz, we're going to take the train to our hotel in Grindelwald, where we have a couple days to use as a home base. And we're just going to do a couple day trips out and back from Grindelwald. We stopped by a local Migros and picked up some provisions for a little picnic lunch. It was amazing. We biked right past the Pilatus Bahn. We didn't get a chance to go up, but here are some pictures from a previous trip where we did. It's absolutely gorgeous up here and a lot cheaper than the Jungfrau tickets. The end of the road for this segment, and then we're taking that train up and over those mountains. This is the Giswil Hauptbahnhof. We're here waiting for a train to take us up over the Alpine Pass. This saves us about 2,000 feet of climbing. The public transportation here is very well set up for bicycles. Checking up. train to Interlaken and had to take a bus to our hotel in Grindelwald. We got there just in time to place a dinner order before the restaurant closed.